Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs like a chef. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients. Always choose fresh, high-quality eggs. They are the foundation of a truly delicious dish. For richness, we will use about 1 tablespoon of butter for every 2 or 3 eggs. A simple pinch of salt and pepper will perfectly enhance their natural flavor. These foundational steps are crucial for an exceptional breakfast. Next, let's master the whisking technique. Whisk your eggs vigorously for approximately 30 seconds. This incorporates air, leading to a lighter, fluffier result. For added tenderness, incorporate about 1 tablespoon of milk or cream for every 2 eggs. Remember, the goal is to combine the yolks and whites thoroughly, but avoid overwhisking. This careful preparation ensures a consistent and delightful texture in your finished scrambled eggs. Now for the cooking process, which is key to chef-quality eggs. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. This gentle temperature prevents rubbery eggs. Melt about 1 tablespoon of butter until it becomes foamy and fragrant, indicating it is ready. Pour in your whisked egg mixture. Let it sit undisturbed for approximately 30 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. This initial gentle cooking is vital. Finally, let's achieve that perfect creamy texture. Using a spatula, gently push the cooked edges of the eggs towards the center, creating beautiful, soft curds. Continue this motion, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. The trick is to remove the pan from the heat when the eggs are about 90% set and still visibly moist. Serve your exquisite scrambled eggs immediately on warm plates for an unforgettable breakfast experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.